all, we are going to present our role play on the topic of tenses. We hope you will understand the concept of tenses through fun and entertainment. So let's get started.
Hey Akriti, why you didn't come yesterday? Where were you?
Ma'am, I went in. Ma'am, no. I didn't went to Mumbai. Ma'am.
You did went to Mumbai or you went to Mumbai?
Ma'am, I don't understand.
I am understanding that your tenses are not clear. So let me tell you a story to clear your concept of tenses. Once upon a time, there was a great queen called Queen Tense.
Hello friends, I'm Queen Tense. I'm also known as Time. I rule over entire universe. I have 3 lovely daughters. The elder one is past tense, the middle is present tense, and the youngest of all, future tense. Hey, I'm Mrs. Past. I rule over the entire past. Now, let me introduce you with my first daughter, past simple tense. Hey everyone, I help people when they talk about an action, place at a particular time in the past. For example, Ram wrote a letter yesterday. Now, let me introduce you with my second daughter, past continuous tense.
Hello everyone, I am past continuous tense. I help you all when you talk about an action which was going on a particular time in the past. For example, Ram was writing a letter.
Now, let me introduce you with my third daughter, past perfect tense.
Hey friends, I help people to talk about an action which took place before another action. For example, Ram had already written a letter before I came.
I know you are very curious to meet my fourth daughter, past perfect continuous tense. Hello, I help people when they have to talk about the action which was going for a long period of time somewhere in the past. For example, Ram had been writing a letter. Hello friends, I am Mrs. Present. I rule over the entire present. It gives me great pleasure to introduce you with my 4 sweet daughters. Now let me introduce you with my first daughter, present simple tense. Hello. Everyone knows me very well. I help people when they talk about their routine hobbies or universal truth. Hey, don't confuse between me and my sister, present continuous. Now let me introduce you with my second daughter, present continuous tense.
Oh yes, I am present continuous tense. I help you all in many ways, especially when you talk about an action which is going on in front of your eyes. Let me give you a live example. She is smiling. They are talking.
Now let me introduce you with my third daughter, present perfect tense.
Hello. I help people to talk about an action which took place in the past, but the fact of the action is still done in present. For example, Ram has just written a letter.
Now let me introduce you with my fourth and last daughter, present perfect continuous tense. Hello. I help people when they have to talk about the action which starts in past and is also continuing in present. Let's take an example. Ram has been writing a letter since the play started.
Hello everyone, I am the youngest of all, Mrs. Future. I have 4 daughters. My first daughter is future simple tense.
Hey everyone, I help people when they talk about an action which is yet to take place. For example, Ram will write a letter.
second daughter is future continuous tense.
Hello, I am future continuous tense. I help you all when you talk about an action which will be going on in the future time. For example, Ram will be writing a letter.
My third daughter is future perfect tense. Hi friends, I helped you to talk about an action which took place before another action in the future. For example, Ram will have written a letter. My fourth and last daughter is future perfect continuous tense. Hello friends, I access you all to show that something will continue up until a particular event or time in future. For example, Ram will have been writing a letter for 2 hours.
Akriti, now you understand the concept of tenses.
Yes ma'am, I have learned the concept of tenses. So learn tenses and speak English properly.